ये जो इंडिया है ना, we love cricket and IPL even more. But in the middle of Corona's second wave, can the IPL, should the IPL go on? These drawings by Art of Resistance that place the tragic spectacle of thousands of daily Corona cremations inside a cricket stadium sum up one view, that it is simply insensitive to be playing cricket, celebrating wickets falling with high fives and fist pumps, even as within kilometers of these stadiums, people are cremating hundreds and hundreds of their loved ones. From 28th April, Delhi becomes an IPL venue. Firoz Shah Kotla ground is right next to Delhi's biggest COVID hospitals. While ambulances rush past the stadium carrying patients gasping for life, would it not seem disrespectful for a game of cricket to be going on nearby? It would. India's ace shooter and Olympic gold medalist Abhinav Bindra says Indian cricketers and BCCI can't just live in their bubble and be deaf or blind to what is going on outside. He may be right. Virat Kohli with 42 million Twitter and 111 million Instagram followers, Dhoni 8 million Twitter and 33 million Insta followers, Rohit Sharma close to 19 million followers on Twitter and Instagram, their silence on the unfolding COVID tragedy seems heartless. Can IPL's organizers and its biggest stars behave as if there was no pandemic? We see Dada, Saurav Ganguly, who is also BCCI chief, acting in fantasy cricket ads. We see cricket's gods, Dhoni, Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya, Rishabh Pant, even earlier gods, Sehwag, Gavaskar, Dravid during ad breaks. But barring a couple of brief social messages that have just started, no mention of COVID. Abhinav Bindra also rightly asks Saurav Ganguly why has BCCI, that is worth almost 14,500 crores, barely contributed towards fighting COVID's second surge. This inaction is being seen as not caring about the tragedy. Veteran sports journalist Sharda Ugra says it's as if IPL is being played on another planet. She asks, why no black armbands? No minute of silence before a game? Why not provide COVID helpline numbers for various cities on TV screens during matches? Why no fundraisers to support frontline workers, to fund medical supplies? A question for Dada. Team India's BCCI-run Twitter handle has 14.5 million followers. The IPL Twitter handle has 6.2 million followers. The IPL telecast is watched daily by millions. But barring a few recent short social messages, why this total COVID silence? It almost seems, and dare I say it, there is pressure on them all to stay silent. It's a silence that mirrors the attitude of the government as well, that has often been in denial about the scale of the crisis. It mirrors the stance of Yogi Adityanath, who threatens to jail and confiscate the property of anyone talking about oxygen or ICU bed or vaccine shortages. And don't forget, politicians from across the spectrum have controlled most state cricket associations for decades. Even the current BCCI secretary, Jay Shah, is Home Minister Amit Shah's son. But then there's the cricket itself. 27th April saw a close game between Delhi and Bangalore. Rishabh Pant getting Delhi close but losing by one run off the last ball. But right after the match, Chahal, Kohli, Mohammad Siraj, whose Yorkers in the last over had kept Pant from scoring, all these RCB players were around Rishabh consoling him. We saw emotion, drama and lots of sporting spirit. This IPL has seen stunning centuries by Sanju Samson and Devdutt Padikkal, little known Harshal Patel's superb bowling, veterans like Gale, Shikhar Dhawan, Suresh Raina, AB de Villiers showing they can still compete, and Sir Ravindra Jadeja's terrific 5 consecutive sixes. The point being that like all sport, IPL too can be inspiring, uplifting, taking the impossible catch, completing the impossible run, bowling that unreadable dusra, so much so that even a critic like Abhinav Bindra accepts there is so much negativity right now that we also need an outlet to keep us going. So the IPL is one element which is very positive. To my mind, if IPL fails to follow safety protocols, call it off. If it is eating up resources that could be better used to fight COVID, call it off. If a player chooses to opt out, we should of course respect that. But otherwise, we should be mindful that the IPL is also a massive economic activity. It sustains hundreds of jobs beyond just the celebrity players and commentators. So instead of any knee-jerk ban on the IPL, let's ensure that we do what's missing. And what's that? Show some empathy, show some heart. IPL के bosses, IPL के celebrity cricketers, celebrity commentators, ये जो India है ना, it needs you to use your privilege and your incredible popularity to let people know you are with them in their grief, and to spread the critical messages about masking, social distancing, and asking people to get vaccinated. Do that and you will become even bigger heroes for us all.